This is an update message from the United Nations Survival Network. This message will be transmitted to all nations whose governments have unfortunately fallen. The message will also be transmitted in the respectable language of your nation. Many months after the Locust Horde first emerged, our subterranean foe has ravaged many cities across most of the Northern Hemisphere, as well as some of the growing economies in the Southern Hemisphere. As stated before, any attempt to reason with any locust creatures will result in certain death no matter who you are. Surviving leaders from the areas listed below are joining together to discuss what action shall be taken to stop this genocidal rampage. We will inform you what decision has been made as soon as possible. Stay safe out there, people of Earth.
Well. Is suppose it's the last resort.
We have no other option.
All armies are heavily crippled and at breaking point.
Will this really slow them down?
Whatever it takes, I just hope we know what we are doing.
This is Captain Andrews here. My unit has successfully extracted the classified substance from Fort Knox and are transporting it to the designated facility. So far, we have not ran into any locust along the way, but it won't be long until they discover this place. We are moving now. Ever since it was first held here, I have always wondered what this yellow substance is capable of. I suppose we will all know soon.
This is a very important message transmitted in the respectable language of your nation at the request of the United Nations Survival Network. Please pay attention as these details will be very important to your survival. After a discussion amongst surviving leaders of the fallen nations, a decision was made to authorize the unthinkable option. The entire arsenal of experimental weapons of mass destruction will be used to destroy all Locust Horde-infested areas. If you chose to remain in these areas since Emergence Day, get out of these places while you still can. There is no other way of denying our subterranean foe to continue their rampage. This is the only way.
We apologize for interrupting the program you were watching. All normal TV has been temporarily suspended until further notice. Please stand by for an emergency message. We apologize for interrupting the program you were watching. All normal TV has been temporarily suspended until further notice. Please stand by for an This is the BBC with an emergency message from the UK government. An immediate evacuation order has been declared for all villages, towns, and cities located along the entire English south coast. This evacuation order is a precaution as a result of the experimental weaponry being used against the Locust Horde, who are currently ravaging cities across the world. It is unknown if there will be any fallout, but again, this is a precaution. Do not return to these areas until an all clear is given. Evacuate now.